Hello and welcome to the Income Tax Blog. My name is Gordon De Silva. I'm a multi-award winning chartered accountant. I am the author of the best-selling book Profit Propeller and the creator of the Profit Multiplier program, which helps owner-managed businesses grow their businesses faster, with greater certainty, with less risk, and creates faster momentum. The Income Tax Blog is for really personal taxes. We should really call it the personal tax blog, and it's for all the taxes that you may account for personally, like income tax, inheritance tax, capital gains tax. All those issues will be covered in this blog, because I believe tax is an expense that has to be managed, and one of the things that we look to do is make sure that we stay completely current through many hours of quite expensive training in the new tax rules that come out every year, and how to use them, how to integrate them into clients' personal tax affairs, because it is important that we stay abreast of these things and that you have access to the best quality training and thinking that's available out there. So it's really important to stress one particular thing. If you are not one of our clients, then it is incredibly important that you check the information out with your qualified chartered accountant. The reason you should do that is because they will have hopefully done the huge amounts of learning and training that we have to do year by year to keep ourselves right up to speed. And you want to be careful of people who don't do that, because they will either tell you it doesn't work, in which case you've lost out, or they will tell you that or they will implement it wrongly, in which case you lose out again. They say you get what you pay for. Maybe that's true, maybe it isn't. In my personal life, I found it to be true, but in your personal experience, you might not have found it to be true. So you have to do what you believe is right. So I'm going to leave you with that So I'm going to leave you with that thought before we get into the blog now, and I'll speak to you at the end. Thanks for watching that. Hopefully you found it useful, informative, and usable. Remember to check it out with your qualified chartered accountant. That's really important to get it implemented correctly, and identify if you can use it. Remember, it's not only for you, because it may be for your family members, it may be your parents or close relatives who may need this information and may not have access to a business tax blog, this type of blog in their normal daily lives, because it's not something that they come across. If you're in business, you're going to be more aware that these things exist, and you'll be on the lookout for it, and hence you probably found this blog. So remember to let them know about it by sharing it with them. Put it on your social media maybe, and comment on it. Tell us what you'd like to cover, any other questions you may have. We do a Q&A blog as well on this subject. We'll add it in, and then we can just work out together how we can help best through the blogging system. And don't forget to click the like button as well, because that helps other people find it in the search engines. I look forward to speaking to you in due course, and when we do, I'm sure we'll get some value from it. We'll have a 10-minute quick chat initially to see if we can help, and then we can agree a longer-term review to make sure that we develop the idea fully with you. Take care of yourself, all the best, and keep paying less tax. Goodbye.